Hello, my friends. I am here today to knock your socks off. Are you ready? This one is amazing, completely. Now, a lot of you are familiar with my fold-it cards. For example, the fold-it cards look like this, and they open and close, and that one says happy birthday, and you can fold it to be a card at the top or on the side. But what if you could turn that card into a treat box? Look at this. So not only is this just a card, but it's also a treat box, or you could just make it a treat box. Now, do you need special stuff? Nope, you just need one extra die to go with your fold-its, and that is this one. We're calling it the box-it die. Now, what? All it is it makes the fold-its a box. For example, how about a little treat box? Look at that, look at that. Or you could do both sides. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? With all your yummies. Look at this one. Look at this one. This one's decorated on both sides. And Leslie was so sweet. She put her thing on the back. So, but she has all her information on the back. But look, both sides. And look, this one is full to the brim. It turns your fold-it cards and your fold-it projects into boxes. Do you hear this, the angels singing? Because this is fantastic. Look, so here's the little snowman, and it turns the box, and the box will work on all of them, including the smaller ones like the star, okay? The smaller ones like the star, and the funky dunky weird ones like the stocking. So the stocking, you're just gonna put it up higher. Okay, do you see that, how it's up just higher? So it's not on the bottom, it's up in the inside here, but it still stands. Are you like, right? Oh, look at the barn. Look how cute the barn is. So if I wanted to, I could get the candies and I could put those in the little barn. Are you just like, okay, your mind honestly needs to be blowing right now. So imagine the Easter egg fold-it, or what else? What other fold-its do we have? I mean, I have a lot of them out here. Oh, the new strawberry fold-it that I'm going to show you in just a second can make this. Any of my fold-its, this will work. What is the die? Let me show you. I've die cut one out. This will fit in a regular machine. Yes, it fits in a regular machine. So your Big Shot, Big Kick, Vagabond, Gemini, whatever you have, it will fit in a regular machine, regular cutting pads. And you're gonna see that there's all these wonderful, really deep score lines. Let me move some of these off to the side. They're too fun not to stare at though, aren't they? Look, this one has little oh, too cute. And what you're gonna do is you're simply just gonna fold down on all those score lines, la la la. And the score lines are so nice and deep on this. And we're just gonna fold, fold, fold. You're gonna use this all the time. Fold, fold, fold. Now, what you're gonna do is on like all my boxes, like the box card die or the shadow box, you add adhesive to the top of the flaps. So let's get some adhesive. And we're just gonna add adhesive, and I need a sample to do this on. Okay, we'll use this one. So, well, we'll talk about this one in a bit because this is a new one, but we'll use this, we'll say this is my front, my box front. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use the adhesive on one side of the flaps, just like this, okay? You could also just use regular tape if you wanted to. Then I'm going to mold it to fit my card. So for example, and you can see from the camera up above, we are going to fold this to fit. Start here. So we're not going to go all the way down. Well, we could go pretty close to the bottom, but we're going to literally just mold it. And we're going to fold that one there. Then we're going to fold this one. You can overlap those flaps. So see how I'm going to overlap that flap a little bit. Overlap this flap. I want this one to go kind of, I can turn it this way so I can do the whole side of the strawberry if I want. Nice hair. Nice hair. And then we're going to fold this one, and we're going to really mold to that strawberry. Just like that. Press down really well. If you want to, add Scotch tape to the inside. No one's going to see the Scotch tape. Add it to make it stronger. But there you can see I have molded it to my strawberry. Now and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add adhesive to this one, and I'm going to get another strawberry, and I'm just gonna lay it right on top. And there is my box. You're gonna mold it around any of your shapes. For example, here's my snowman. Let me take the candies out so you can really see. Oh, my team's gonna be fun with all these candies my design team sent in. This one is molded. See how it's molded? So we have it here, around, and around. This is more of a like straight up and down box. So it looks more, let's take this one apart so you can see. It's more like this, straight up and down. You can mold it this way, you can mold it any way you need to because it has all of those creases on it. Now, some of them, for example, maybe the star is a little bit smaller. You might trim one or two of these pieces off, okay? So you might be trimming it down just to make this a little bit smaller. But you're gonna mold this to go any way you need to make it work. So for example, this one is just the sides go straight up and down to be on the snowman. Are you dying? I'm dying, I'm dying. I absolutely, positively, it's taking the fold-its that you already have and the ones you're gonna buy in the future and giving you another use for them. Not only are they cards, not only are they for banners, not only are they for scrapbook pages or home decor, now you're making treat boxes out of them. Or gift boxes. Now you can give this little gift box to someone with some yummies inside and maybe a gift card if it's a present. Isn't that awesome? Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. I have a release with Sizzix. This is a strawberry folded. Perfect to go with your box it die, right? And isn't that adorable? Don't you just want to like go, eat it up? Well, here's a sample. That was really lame, I'm sorry. Here's a sample for my friend. Here's another one, happy birthday. Here's one which, hey, let's not even use the strawberry. Let's make a tag and use the top. Isn't that cute? I love that. Oh, or you could also add the little happy face from the corn, the candy corn die set, the limited edition that we had. Ooh, glitter paper. Life is better with glitter. Am I right? Am I right? Look at that. I love that. Ooh, here's a fun one, a pink strawberry. Yummy, yummy. Oh, I have all these great strawberry samples. Who would have thought, right? So very sweet of you. Don't forget, we also have a strawberry stamp and die set from back in the day. Go get that one also so you can have all these cute little sayings. So very sweet of you. Or here you can do the ladybug. Hey, lady. Now don't forget, these can fold on different spots. This one folds on the corner up here. This one folds at the top. You can also have it fold on the side. Oh, here's another one. Easy peasy, cute. Also great gift tags as well. Put your little to and from on this and attach it to a gift bag. Don't you love it? Ooh, sweet. Isn't that fantastic? I love it. Okay, go check these out. Club members, of course, you get the club discount, at least 15%. Some of you get 20% as gold club members if you're in the Kit Club and the Die Hard Club. 20% off all of our products, including adhesive. So we have a lot of wonderful, fun new products. We have my favorite adhesive so far that I have found on our website in 2-packs. We have the new box at die. I'm so excited about this one. You all have to get this one because this one is going to rock your world. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.